For this text effect, open new Canva project. Type your text. Here change the font to any bold style like TT Burling. Now resize it. Then increase the letter spacing slightly. Now download this as a PNG. Now go to next page. Here bring the downloaded image. Then remove its background. Now go to Edits. Here click on Style Match. From the various style options, choose Chrome. This will give our text a nice metallic 3D effect. Now bring a background image that goes with our text style. To create depth in our text, go to Edits again. This time select Shadow and choose Drop Shadow. Here adjust its setting to get the best result. Like and subscribe to get more such quick Canva tips and design ideas.